if your OBS Studio, if you cannot resize or move anything, suppose this image, I want to resize it and move it here. I unable to do it. My display capture, I want to move it. I unable to it. If you face this problem, no problem. Simply right click your OBS Studio anywhere. Right click. Okay. Simply I right click here and you see lock preview check. Simply I uncheck it and you see I see here red borderline here available. So I click it and see. Now I resize my picture easily and want to move, simply move it, resize it anywhere I want. This problem is because you see I move it my display capture also. This problem reason is your lock preview. Simply right click your OBS Studio anywhere. Right click lock preview. Then you see I unable to move my picture on resize it because here lock preview is checked. Simply right click uncheck lock preview and your problem solved. If I help you, your problem is solved. So I request to subscribe my channel and like it. Okay, bye bye.